Hi, hi dear students, parents and teacher. For the exam, you need to create your login ID and password so that you can give your test paper. Now, for that, you must have got website links in a message, right? Now, when you will click the first one, that is the official test website link. When you will click that, and there you can, from that ID and password, what you need to do is you need to log in to the portal. As I've already logged in, I'm showing you how to log in again. Okay. Now, when you will click on that particular portal, you will receive this kind of panel. Now, what you need to do is click on login. There you have to put your login ID and password which the team has given you. When you will write all the details, your login ID and password, then you need to click on login. When you will click on login, you will be successfully diverted to our main panel. That is the test panel, right? The papers which you have enrolled for, which will come on that particular page. Now, for example, if you have enrolled for level 7, then the level 7 paper will be there. Okay. And there is one more. If in case you need to do for the sample one, there is a sample paper of level 0 which you can do it, so that you will be able to get that how the papers exactly look like, right? And as I told you that there is a sample paper which you can do, so that you will be thorough enough that how to perform the test. Now you will, when you will click on International Abacus Olympiad level 0, and you will, what you need to do is just click on start test. You will be directed to a instructions page, right? You need to carefully read the instructions, as it is mandatory to read the instruction before the test also. This same instruction page will be there on your main test paper, so read it very carefully. And when you will, then you need to click on next. On the exam day also, you need to perform these things on your main test paper also. And when you are very much ready to perform the test, then only please click I am ready to begin. Why? Because it's a time based test, so you will be getting 10 minutes to perform this test. So make sure that you are very much ready and comfortably sitting on the chair, so that you can begin your test without any interruption. Now what you need to do is you need to click on yes, I have understood these the instructions and I am very much ready. When you have to this, you need to click this check box, and then you can click on I am ready to begin. When you are ready, this kind of test paper that is being provided, this will get open, right? It contains 100 question, as it is level 0 which has 101, and everything is mentioned over there. Before submitting the paper, I request you to please make sure that you read this particular information. If in case if any of the question you missed by chance, you can perform it there and then, but be careful before submitting the paper, and also be careful of the time which is there mentioned over there in the extreme left column of the test paper. Here is the time which is given over there. You need to perform the test on a very particular time limit, in a very particular time limit, right? This is what the exam portal will exactly look like. Now as you can see, and when you are very much aware that you have completed all the questions in a very appropriate form, now you need to click on just submit. So I guess you are very much comfortable with the test portal, the login IDs and password. So all the best everybody for the test, and see you on 26th. If in case you find any of the problem, please coordinate with the team at any point of time. At any time you can coordinate with the team. Please make sure that your queries are being resolved on time. Thank you. This is a detailed video on how you have to use the test panel. If in case you find any of the problem, you can contact the team, the number which you are coordinating on. Thank you.